Hi traders, hope you're well. So it's Tuesday, the day after the bank holiday weekend, 29th of August. Great British Pound US dollar. Took some short positions and then I took some long positions. Screenshots are in the Discord and I'm going to do this video for you guys now for the reasons why. But as you can see, this is the short positions I took on this screenshot from this volume node here from the custom morning chart. Took profits at this volume node here for about 45 pips combined over 3 positions. Then I went and let's get rid of this. On that same volume node where I took profits, I then saw the delta flip after London Open. So that volume node there, that's where I took profits on the shorts. Saw the delta flip on the footprint, and then I got long from, let's make that bigger. So then I've got long from there, same place, after seeing the delta flip on the footprint chart to confirm buyers were showing up. So let's go to that one now. So I could see price opened in Asia at this value area high from the previous day. Slow grind up, got a single print form, price came back down, so up, down, filled that single print, up again to create the Asia highs, came down, filled that single print again, up to Frankfurt Open, which is where we had the current day's Asia high set. So this single print for me was no longer valid. So I thought I could look from shorts there and see us trade through, but I need obviously better confluence. So I just looked at the morning chart for Frankfurt Open and saw we had, okay, we've got a value area low here, but just above it there, we've got a high volume node, which we can sort of draw a line. I'm not very good at that, drawing a line up. It's kind of the same area as this volume node here, where the software has printed the point of control. Well, I thought, given that that's the same area as that, I'm going to look at that as a hidden secondary point of control. So that is going to be therefore my area of interest to get short, seeing that we'd opened at the value area low. And that would be in alignment with the current day's highs at the time, which was there. I could see on the VWAP chart, we had delta divergences coming into that area, quite extreme delta divergences, and price was at the deviation band extremes. So that was the right side of the VWAP to look for a mean reversal. Footprint chart, I think I was on the 13-minute chart still. Yes. So I'd seen coming into Frankfurt Open, leading up into it, a lot of sellers starting to show up with the sell side delta. We then got an indecision candle there, Frankfurt Open, got my shorts in. This would be the logical take profit area, this stacked imbalance study of mine. So that's where I faded back to there, which was that high volume cluster on the custom morning chart, which was there. And we can also see a lot of delta took place at that area there. So while I'm talking about this custom morning chart, I did merge these two profiles. So this is a 2-day merge. And the reason I didn't need to do that, because we did still have that volume cluster from what I remember. Let me just unmerge it and show you. For anyone new to trading my way and joining the Discord, this is what I'm talking about when I merge a profile and do the merges. So originally we had the Friday's profile, or yesterday's profile, sorry, the previous day's profile and the day before that. We can see we got a nice volume node there with a delta. So that would anyway be a point of interest. But I just like the look of that volume cluster there being in here. So I thought, because we're also in the same range over those 2 periods, I thought logically I may as well merge them. See if it gives any prominent points of interest. So I then went and merged with next profile to merge those 2 together. And you can see straight away now, we've got obviously still that volume cluster there. volume cluster there, volume cluster there, as you can see. So we were into that area there. Footprint chart again. Let me show you. The footprint chart, stacked imbalance got filled, took my profits from the shorts. I then saw the delta flip to the buy side with extreme buying then taking place. I then entered my long position, saw a stacked imbalance form here. So I thought I'm going to hold that position. We again came down, filled the stacked imbalance, and VWAP, buyers got long again, up to my initial balance high, which was also at just above this double top here on the custom morning chart. So we repaired that poor high, which would have been a poor high. You can see there's a poor high there. I'd already shorted from there. So having seen this take out that high, that poor high, I then took profits on that for 20 pips. And as you can see, we then from that area, then come down lower. But I'm out of trade now, so that doesn't bother me. Oh, and also another reason to take profits at this after seeing this poor high took out was that we're back at the deviation band extremes, as you can see. And that's again where we reversed. So that's the reasons for me taking the trade. So another stacked imbalance just formed here. I'm not going to trade any more this morning. I might look back this afternoon, but if I do take any trades this afternoon, it's only going to be with little lot sizes now because I've actually smashed it this morning. So I've made my money and some. So I don't really need to be doing nothing else for the rest of the day on the trading front. But hope you got a bit of value from this video, and I shall catch you on the next one, whenever that may be. All right, have a lovely day, guys. Over and out.